everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel, and happy 4th of July to all of my friends who are in the United States. I've got my patriotic t-shirt on. I have a haul video for you today. I recently went with my family to Charlotte, North Carolina, and we were there a couple days. I met up with my niece and we had lunch and did a little shopping. So I was going to film shopping and then I decided not to. I didn't want to. We went to IKEA, we went to the Concord Mills Mall, we went to the South Park Mall, and then some other shops. I don't have a whole lot, well, I have a pretty good size IKEA haul, and then Bath and Body Works, and then we went to Lush, my mother-in-law and I did. So let's get started. I think I'm going to start with Lush and work my way up to the IKEA haul because the IKEA haul is bigger. So this is my bag from Lush, and I only purchased 2 things. Let me get out my receipt here. I think I remember how much they are, but I've got my receipt. Okay, I didn't remember. Okay, the first one I got 2 bath bombs. This one is the Peach Bath Bomb. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells delicious. And look, it has shimmer on it. This one was $7.95. And then the other one I got was called the Rose Gold Bath Bomb. This one was $8.45. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that smells and looks so pretty. I don't know if I want to use that or just have it on display. So anyway, that's what I got from Fresh. I'll put this aside. Next, we were in the mall in Bath and Body Works, and they're having their 75% off. Wasn't planning on shopping during their sale, but since I was there, I did pick up a few items. And I will show you what I got. Got my receipt here. Oh, that's about candles. Alright. I did not buy candles. I looked at the candles that were half off and I really wasn't interested in any of those, so I just didn't buy them. Okay, I bought 2 body sprays and 2 shower gels. Let's see. Instead of telling you everything, I will tell you that my total with tax and everything came to $15.49, and my receipt says my discount was $43.52. So I figure that's a pretty good deal. So I'll show you what I got. I got the coconut lime spray because this is my favorite scent. Coconut lime is my favorite scent of all time. This was originally $15.50. This was as much as what I spent on all 4 pieces. So, but yeah, I grabbed that one. Then I grabbed this one. I haven't tried this one. Honeysuckle Peach Tea. It smells really good. So I got this one. Let's see. Does it say anything? Honeysuckle blooms, juicy peaches, and sweet tea. Yeah, it smells really nice. And the coconut, of course, is coconut cream, sparkling lime, and saltwater waves. Yeah. And then I bought these 2 bath and shower gels. I got raspberry jam donut, and this one is wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm fluffy donut. It smells good. I like the smell of this. And the last one I got was champagne sprinkles. This one is sparkling champagne, raspberry icing, and rainbow sprinkles. It smells good. It smells good too. So that's the 4. Yeah, it smells really good. That's the 4 items I got from Bath and Body Works. Now, on to my IKEA haul. I got a big IKEA bag. And I haven't taken anything out of this. Now, this is a family haul, so I will tell you what was not my purchase, but somewhere in here I have to have a receipt. So, let me, I don't know. If I can remember prices, I'll tell you. If I find the receipt at the end, I'll tell you. First, I got this watering can. It was like $1.99, I think. I thought this was just so cute to water my plants in the house. So, I bought it. A watering can. We love the IKEA coffee, so we got a bag of ground coffee. This one is the espresso coffee. It tastes really good. This is like $4 and something. So we got coffee. My husband got surge protectors. It's a set of 2, and I don't remember how much these were. That doesn't interest me. I got, surprisingly, I was planning on buying this, and I ended up with 2 sets of them. This is the set of 17 storage containers, food storage containers. It's $5 and something. I'm going to go through all of my, I call it Tupperware. It's not Tupperware. I do have a couple pieces of Tupperware. I keep that. But you know, the cheap plastic containers you buy. I've got worn out ones and ones I'm missing lids, and I'm going to get rid of all that and just start over with this. And my husband wanted a set. He's to organize something, so there's 2 sets of these. But one is my husband's and one is mine. Next, I got this cloth. Let's see, is there no, I don't have the receipt. I don't know where it went. This is a cloth for your dishes, and it was $1. Let me see if I can pop it. It was just $1, and it's like soft, not extremely soft, but it's softer on this side, terry cloth, and this side is kind of a rough side for scrubbing. I thought, well, I'll try it for $1. This is the brand Rennig. I don't know, but I'll try it out. I got another wooden utensil. This one's a little different shape than the last one I bought. This one's, it's got the like spatula edge, but then spoon shape. I believe this was $1.99. Pretty sure that was $1.99. That one I got last time, when I got the last one, I definitely got the last one. There were no more, and they only had like 3 of these left. And the champagne flutes that I told you that if when I go back, if they have them, I would get them. They're gone. So I only have 4. I'll have to live with 4. I only bought 1 candle this time. It's this one. The others I don't know, wasn't interested in. And this, I believe, is toasted marshmallow. And it smells really nice. I like the scent of this. So, yeah, I only bought this. It was $1.49. So, let's see. Next, I bought a set of these glasses. I looked at them last time, and then I finally broke down. And I got these glasses. Aren't they pretty? I love this color. This is one of the colors I want in my new kitchen. These are, what were they, $1.49 or $1.99 a piece? They were really cheap. I think $1.49 a piece. So I got some of these. We'll roll that back up. I'll grab them all out of here. Okay, and then last in my bag is I got these candies. I got Sour Vikings gummies and Swedish Dala horses. So yeah, these are not sour. These are just regular gummies. And so yeah, I got these guys. So that was it. That is my entire haul. My IKEA bag is somewhat empty. It's got glasses still in it. But yeah, that's everything. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And guys, have a wonderful and safe weekend, and I will see you next time.